Select contours and hit location for ejection. Save part parameters like tab or lead-in size as default for future use. Door chute is color-coded to guide hit placement. Quickly switch to punch die-based ejection. Ejection hit previews are displayed on the part. Part removal recognizes ejector hits and laser tabs. Adjust sorting and sequence direction as desired. Define ejection part groups to reduce tool change time. Set a strategy to do all internals first, then external contours. Normal punch hits are followed by ejector groups laser cuts. Ejector hits dispose of tabbed laser cut internals. Externals receive the same treatment, then next group starts.